Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in Wallah platform. Guys, lots of students are currently going for the GATE 27 examinations, and here is the biggest update for you. Initially, the GATE 27 registration form filling they started from, they are going to start from the 14 August 26, but later on they reschedule it, and now the final date is 27 August 26. So the final date is here, and the official form filling related information is now available for you. So guys, those students who are going for GATE 27, IIT Madras released the three important video for GATE online application registration: checks to do before registration, registration for Indian citizen, and creating a folder in DigiLocker. So guys, this year, as you know, DigiLocker is a mandatory. So first you need to register yourself in DigiLocker, and where you need to make a folder of GATE 27 with all the documents which required here, and along with the important details and all, and your profile pictures and all. So after that you need to, like, you can check this particular video, registration for Indian citizen. It having the complete registration process explanation, your facial captures, and like three photos in facial captures required. The instruction is also there, the camera quality, how much MP camera required for facial capture, the complete details are available. So guys, those students who are like going to appear for GATE 27, the application portal, GOAPS portal, GATE 27 related is like going to active. So those students who are definitely appearing in GATE 27, you can register yourself. And if you are facing any hurdle, any issue or anywhere, you can join Kuldeep sir underscore PW Telegram channel. So we will keep guiding you, keep providing you all the important directions and related to the form related query and the further updates and all. So thank you so much. We will meet in another session. Those students who are going to appear in GATE 27, fill your application form as soon as possible.